pag-aaral tungkol sa 1+1. Pagkatawa, sino yung balik-balik mo? Sino yung balik mo? Ano mama? Ang dami pa rin nakakalam. Hindi ko na makakalain.
Ikaw na. Tatawarin mo na natin si Rosel, Eliseo.
At saka si Miles.
At saka si Miles. Hindi natin.
Pasensya na po kayo, naiya si Miles.
Bago natin tawagin ng nagturo sa atin ng 1+1.
Dito po, dala akong puno hanggang ngayon.
Alam ko kasi tumayos mo.
Isipin mo, si Tranbo, sayang. Tinawagan ako ni Tranbo. Kaso hindi siya nakarating. Ma'am, in the word undefined, ito lang po siya, ang ating idolo sa mathematics. Dalawa po sila, pero dahil mo muna po, nag-advise ang natin ng 4th year, bago susunod yung napakagaling din po sa isang mathematics. Ang walang pagkatanda at bumabata at patuloy, si Mrs. Belina, ang aming advisor po sa St. Peter.
I have so many butterflies in my stomach right now. I can only be to inside a classroom, teaching you trigonometry, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, and secant. And I am very happy and very honored for inviting me here and seeing you all very successful in life. Those were our dreams before. Even if I am really not feeling well, I really tried my best to come over because I really wanted to see each one of you. I love to thank you. Kasi po, mga tago, I was hospitalized because of nakakaida tayo. I have so many tasks to do in school, but I have to do it gradually. Nasa, what do you call this? Retirement stage na po ako, but I still feel strong, especially if I hear news that you were all successful in the field of endeavor you undertook. That I am very honored. Sayang po kasi kung alam ko lang na interesan ako ng -1. Kaya lang, hindi ko naman na. But right now, I cannot give you a number because I have a very, my throat is really painful. But nevertheless, it is really an honor for me to be a part of this silver celebration of your batch. I would like to thank especially Mr. Benji Sachigel for all his school affair, for so many years na po yan. Every time they see me asking about our school, I go. So I hope that if we approach you and ask something for our school, I know that you are all very willing to support the high school department. So, without so much taking your time, maraming salamat po, Constantine. Ang ayaw, hindi siya nagbago.
Pasensya na po.
Siya yung pinakamasaya sa klase ko. Pag nagkakagulo na yan, alam ko siyang pinuro. I am happy for me. Kaya nung magkita kami sa Perpetual at nandun ang mga anak niya, I really feel a lot, I'm very happy na yung anak niya nagawin sa Perpetual. I am 63 years old right now, pero ang feeling ko nasa 40s na lang.
Parang wait for this
Because of you,
Pasasalamat po yan para maalala nyo kami.
Mag-memorize, kasama ko sa Isabel, namin yung ulo namin, nagkakamali kami. Ay, si Kauso, may asawa na rin. Pinatawaran ko po ang hindi lumakanda natin biring parang bumabara. Ang walang kamatayan si Mrs. na.
Yung bago siya. Yung bago yung bago.
Thank you naman sa intro mo. Kasi kung si Mrs. Zelina feels 40, eh ako feels 30.
Wow! Di ba ang hinihilig? Kita niyo yung lips ni Ma'am, di ba? No less.
And of course, together with my fellow kasama sa school, our feeling is very thankful kami sa mga occasions na ganito. Ito yung, ito natin nila, walang lumayaman ng teacher, pero ito yung kayamanan namin. Hindi kasi ako sanay mag-speech kung saan. Pagturuin ko na ako ng history. Kasi, you know, nakakatawa, nakakatuwa. Kasi yung mga graduates na nag-itugan sa times, pagkakas sa school, kami yung pinaparin. Pero nung sinabi mo, what's the capital of Australia? What's the capital of Canada? Kasi naging habit ko kasi doon sa klase. Sabi ko sa mga estudyante, kahit ang Miss Show ang napapanood nyo, laging umpisa sa mga questions na tinatanong, what's the capital of this country? May mga ganon. And yun, our hearts are really full of gratitude. And you know, wala rin makaka-describe sa nararamdaman namin ngayon na makita kayo after 25 years. The truth is, for most of you, this is our first time to see you since graduation day of 1984. And who would think, you know, talaga, thank you talaga sa kay Lord na nakita tayo ngayon sa pinagawa.